The English proverb, "Don't judge a book by its cover," advises against forming opinions or making judgments about someone or something based solely on their outward appearance. It implies that appearances can be deceiving, and that it's important to look beyond the surface to truly understand or appreciate someone or something. In essence, this proverb encourages people to be open-minded and fair in their assessments. It suggests that making snap judgments based on physical appearance can lead to unfair or inaccurate evaluations. Instead, it advocates taking the time to get to know a person or exploring a situation more deeply before forming an opinion. This saying is often used to promote the idea of fairness, empathy, and avoiding prejudice. It reminds individuals that a person's true character, abilities, or qualities may not be immediately apparent and may require closer examination or interaction to be fully understood. In summary, "Don't judge a book by its cover" conveys the message that one should not make assumptions or judgments based solely on outward appearances. It encourages people to be open-minded and to look beyond the surface to gain a more accurate and complete understanding of people and things. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more educative videos.